10 पे हमने शुरू किया था, चलो 5 मिनट और ज़ाया करते हैं, ठीक है। ओके, नेक्स्ट लेट्स जस्ट टॉक अबाउट one another thing, that is spare. That is just the same thing as ball. बाल बाल नहीं होता इस तरह का ये, इसका क्या होगा? वॉल्यूम v इक्वल्स वी हैव 4/3 and then pi r cube, and this is actually the radius. Its surface area should be, you can say, area, I'm gonna say S area. It means surface area. It should be pi r square, but we're gonna multiply the area of this. It is actually pi r square is actually area of the circle, if you remember. So it is actually the area, its greater circle. And we can multiply that with 4. It means 4 times area of a circle is actually the surface area of a ball. Many students ask why this sphere or ball is important. It is very important because if you remember, we're gonna have some dooms like this, okay? Okay, so as a quantity surveyor, you have to determine these things. However, the doom can be hollow. Now, in order to determine the PCC work or the RCC work for the same doom, it is really important for you to understand about the volume of sphere or maybe ball. Okay, now this is hollow. It means we're going to subtract this inside. If we have a maybe a semicircular doom, which is actually hollow inside, so what should be its volume? It is actually the same thing as like this one, but it is half. You can say 4/3 pi r cube. This can be actually the external volume. You can say this ball, and we're gonna subtract the inside. It means we're gonna subtract 4/3 pi, and let's say small r cube. And I'm gonna write this formula again over here because we have something common, like the volume for a hollow ball should be actually what is common over here? It is 4/3 pi. You can say 4 pi by 3, and there we have actually r cube minus small r. So this is for a hollow. Now, as you can see, we have, you can say, semicircular doom. It means you can just divide this thing, the whole thing, by 2. Very simple. However, it can be little bit tricky if you have segmental, like this one. It is just segmental. And most of the time, we always face segmental dooms. And we will just discuss that maybe when you guys are not beginners and you are little bit familiar with quantity surveying, ठीक है? So इन चीज़ों को हम फिर बाद में इंशाल्लाह देख लेंगे.